Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys poco phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how to on and use DND mode, means do not disturb. How to on it in poco phone device and how to use it. Friends, you don't know about what is DND, means do not disturb. How to on use do not disturb in poco phone today friends I am going to show you in this video. First of all guys, we will open guys phone setting guys. So after on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface in your poco phone. So you can scroll it friends. We will click on guys poco phone sound and vibration setting guys. Click on sound and vibration. And guys, you can see media volume, ringtone, alarm volume guys. You can adjust. You want to set ringtone, notification ringtone, alarm ringtone. So guys, you can select from here. You can set. So I scroll it friends, you can see first silent mode setting. You want to silent your poco phone, so guys, you can silent your poco phone and you can unsilent. Then guys, scroll it friends, you can see do not disturb setting as click here friends, you can see do not disturb for incoming calls and notification. So after on guys, your calls and notification will be silence, your call and notification will silent guys. And get do not disturb guys will show a moon icon on your status bar guys, as you can see. So like that guys, we can on and we can use do not disturb. After on do not disturb notification and guys incoming call will silence in poco phone. And once you want to off and guys, you want to off get this moon icon. So once again click on your phone setting and once click on guys search bar and get direct guys, you can off guys do not disturb. So guys, we will search here guys phone do not disturb setting. So guys, I will search here do not disturb. As you can see do not disturb setting guys, we will click here. As you can see do not disturb is on, so guys, we will off. Friends, call and notification won't be silent anymore. So friends, now you can use your notification sound and ringtone. So like that guy, we can on and guy we can off guys do not disturb in poco phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.